Hey there, it's Anna from For Real. Have you just bought a used iPad or are you locked out because you've forgotten your Apple ID? Well, you're in the right place. We've all heard about those services, software, or methods claiming to unlock your device hassle-free. But before you go down that road, hear me out. Some of those techniques might work, but they're either too complicated, expensive, or risk damaging your device. But don't worry, I've got a far better, safer solution. And the best part is, it's free. In today's video, I'll walk you through multiple ways to eliminate the dreaded iPhone lock-to-owner message, also known as the iCloud activation lock, from your iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Watches. These tricks are legal, quick, and guaranteed to work, so stick around. Just a heads up, we're sharing tips for folks who own their devices but can't recall their login details. We don't want to help anyone do anything naughty, like unlocking a device they shouldn't have. Let's keep it legal and respect everyone's rights, okay? Also, we're following YouTube's rules and community standards here. All right, let's cut to the chase. Numerous services out there promise to unlock your device, but they sometimes fail to live up to the hype. Some can be complex to navigate, others can be costly, and worst case, they could even harm your device. What if I told you could take a few safer routes? You've heard of Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Locked to Owner, and the iUnlock app. These are some of the most reliable solutions to remove the iPhone locked to owner message. What sets them apart? Instead of risking your device, these services use advanced tools to unlock your iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches successfully. Take it from my own experience. I once bought a secondhand iPad at a yard sale, and guess what? It was locked. At first, I tried one of those flashy services with all the bells and whistles. And oh boy, was that a nightmare. Luckily, I stumbled upon Safe Unlocks, and it was smooth sailing. Now, I'm not saying you should rush off and use these services immediately, but they offer a safe and user-friendly alternative to removing the iCloud activation lock. But hang on, there's more. In our next step, we will zoom in on how to use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant. So stay tuned for some in-depth insights on how to work this magic tool. Trust me, you will want to take advantage of this. It's essential to note that the provided unlock services primarily function in first-world countries. If, for any reason, you are unable to access these services or prefer not to use them, we've got you covered. We offer 250 users every week the opportunity to grab free unlocks simply by engaging with our content. To be eligible for this offer, please follow these simple steps. Show us some love by hitting the like button. Ensure you're subscribed to our channel so you won't miss out on our latest updates. In the comments section of this video, enter the following details: your phone model like Samsung S9, your IMEI, your country. As soon as you complete these steps, you'll be automatically entered into this opportunity. So don't miss out. Comply with these easy steps and stay tuned to our channel. All right, let's dive right into the instructions for unlocking your device using the unlockhere.com website. Firstly, launch your browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type in unlockhere.com. This website is powered by a smart AI bot named Nifty, which will assist you in removing any mobile phone restrictions you might have. Once you're on the website, make sure to click on Activation Lock. This lets Nifty know that you require an iCloud unlock. Next, you'll be asked to identify the device you have. If you're working with an iPhone, select that option. You can also choose an iPad or Apple Watch if that's what you're using. In the next step, you must enter the IMEI or serial number. All iPhones have IMEIs, so if you're unlocking an iPhone, use the IMEI number. Some iPads and Apple Watches also have IMEIs, but only if equipped with a SIM card slot or cellular capacity. Devices without this feature will have a serial number, so enter that instead. Are you wondering how to find this information? It's simple. Press the sleep button on your locked device. Press it again and tap on the I icon at the bottom right. This will show you your device information. Remember to input all the device information correctly. It's crucial for the next steps. You'll have to fill in some basic information to attach the order to your account. Ensure this information is accurate and objective before you receive your order confirmation. This is important because you will receive a confirmation code in your email. Before you start the process, agree to the terms to ensure you aren't unlocking a stolen device. Then, solve a quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. All that's left is to tap on Start Process. You'll receive an email with a confirmation code shortly. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as it might land there. Now, return to the Unlock Here website, enter the confirmation code you received, and once again, prove you're not a robot. As soon as you've done that, your unlock process is initiated. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions, and skip the rest of the steps, and just do it all later on. Now, go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password or Don't Have Apple ID to create a new one. And here, you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. Let's explore some more alternative ways to remove that pesky iCloud activation lock on your iPad without needing the Apple ID. We'll also discuss some legitimate methods, so don't worry. Everything we share here is legal. One often overlooked method is reaching out to the original owner. If you buy a secondhand iPad and are stuck with the activation lock, contact the previous owner to ask if they could remove their iCloud account. They can quickly do this by signing into their iCloud account online and removing the device from their account in the settings. If you cannot reach the original owner, or if this was your device, but you must remember your Apple ID, fret not. Apple is known for its exceptional customer service. You can contact Apple support to explain the situation. They may be able to assist you, but be prepared to provide proof of purchase or ownership. Remember, guys, unlocking the iPad activation lock without the Apple ID might appear daunting, but with the right guidance and a dash of perseverance, it's not as unmanageable as it looks. Stick around for more such lesser-known, valuable insights on resolving tech-related issues in the next videos. Stay tuned.